Home, the place where privacy and safety are most important. Eufy Security knows this. And that's why we've created the Edge Security ecosystem. The system is empowered with edge computing. Everything is processed locally. There's no worrying about data leaks or subscription fees. Whether you're at work, traveling, or any other time you're away, Edge Security Ecosystem Protection Mode keeps your home secure.
Protection mode activated.
The system has your home completely covered. Worry less and live more when you're away. With Edge Security Ecosystem, all your security devices are connected. HomeBase receives event footage, then uses BionicMind to analyze and identify. Instructions are sent to connected devices.
Please leave the package in the smart drop. Place the packages here.
Just like that. Hey, worried about intruders? Don't be. Edge Security Ecosystem keeps a lookout. If HomeBase identifies a stranger, the alarm is activated. That's truly intelligent home security. Want to know if the kids arrived home? It's easy. Edge Security Ecosystem recognizes faces, body shapes, and fingerprints. It notifies you when the kids get back, safe and sound, so you can live life worry-free. Edge Security Ecosystem continuously self-learns. It knows you and keeps everything under control. When you arrive home, the system activates home mode.
Home mode activated.
Leveling up your security so you stay safe. And HomeBase delivers a daily report so you're always aware of what's happened. Sleep safe and sound, knowing total security is in your hands. And see your system grow smarter every day. Edge Security Ecosystem by Eufy Security. Local security, no monthly